The Department of Health has confirmed a resurgence of measles cases in northern Mindanao, with reported cases increasing by about 11%. From 371 cases in 2024, more than 400 cases in 2025. So alarmingly, 74 cases of this involve unvaccinated children, clearly showing that low immunization coverage remains the primary driver of outbreaks. Regional full implementation coverage remains at around 56.9%, far below the 95% threshold required for the herd immunity. While Cagayan de Oro City's measles rubella coverage is higher at approximately 87%, this is still short of the level needed to fully protect our population, especially infants, young children, and those with weakened immune systems. In response to this growing public health concern, the Department of Health Northern Mindanao has issued a strong call to action. I urge my fellow colleagues of the 21st City Council to support this resolution. If we act together and act now, we can close immunity gaps, prevent outbreaks, and ensure that no child in Cagayan de Oro suffers from a disease that is fully preventable. Thank you, and let's get our children vaccinated as soon as possible. God bless Cagayan de Oro City.